It is the 12th of August 2026, and welcome to today's Spanish A1 class made from real news stories. Today's main story is about an earthquake. 3 other top news stories featured on LINGUAWIRE.com today. First, ministros del Reino Unido anuncian descuento en la luz cerca de nuevas torres. UK ministers announce a discount on electricity near new towers. Next, Glaive y ASU hacen 1-2 europeo en 100 metros. Glaive and ASU make a European 1-2 in 100 metros. And Burnham sugiere dar casa a más solicitantes de asilo en zonas ricas. Burnham suggests giving housing to more asylum seekers in rich areas. And now today's story. Here is today's headline. Read it out loud, slowly, and see how much you already understand. Now let us decode it word by word. Terremoto means earthquake. En means in. Colombia is the country name. Deja means leaves. Más de 180 muertos means more than 180 dead. The headline uses a very common Spanish pattern, noun plus location, then a simple present verb that tells the result. El terremoto golpea Colombia. The earthquake hits Colombia. Golpea. The action word in today's sentence comes from golpear, to hit. More examples are on today's lesson sheet linked below. Los rescatistas buscan personas. The rescuers search for people. Buscan. They search is the key verb in this rescue story. More examples in the lesson sheet. Más de 180 personas están muertas. More than 180 people are dead. Today's number is 180. Say it with me. 180. In Spanish, a large number keeps the same shape in print, and the noun after it normally stays plural, as in 180 personas. Cali y Pereira tienen muchas muertes. Cali and Pereira have many deaths. And is the connector that joins the two city names. El presidente declara una emergencia. The president declares an emergency. Say it with me. Presidente. The ending is clear and light, so keep the last syllables easy and steady. Now for the pattern of the day. Yo golpeo. Tú golpeas. Él golpea. Nosotros golpeamos. Vosotros golpeáis. Ellos golpean. The headline uses the él. Orella form, golpea. One last time. Read today's headline again at full speed. Before you go, one question from today's story. What happens in Colombia? Is it A, un terremoto, un descuento, or C, más de 180? Think about it. The answer, and 2 more questions, are waiting on today's lesson sheet, linked below. Well done! That is today's class. Sign up for free on linguawire.com to get the lesson sheet with extended vocab and grammar for this episode, a 3-question quiz to check your understanding, and to subscribe for free to get each episode delivered every morning to your inbox, so you build a learning habit. For accelerated learning, enrolled learners get a personalized interactive lesson delivered to their digital classroom each day. Link below. See you tomorrow.